the origin of a galaxy, an exploration of space and time. Today, class, I would want to ask you to journey back to the beginning, not a few years or centuries, but billions of years ago. A tiny, unthinkable spark at a point filled with all the energy that would become. Everything was existed in a place where time itself had only just started to tick. Then, in a flash, the Big Bang occurred, and not a space explosion, but a space explosion. Time speed up. Matter emerged from the superheated drift of unfiltered power, as the space unfolded like a gigantic cosmic scroll. Helium and hydrogen, the primordial atoms, drifted through the nascent universe. Over millions of years, these atoms were drawn together into luminous clouds by gravity, that silent but unrelenting force. Stars, bright, glowing beacons that ignited the darkness, were created when they whirled and fell under their own weight. But it was not just these stars that formed. They congregated in galaxies, which are enormous, whirling cities of light. One of these galaxies, nestled in a peaceful region of the universe, would eventually be called the Milky Way. Now picture a young, medium-sized star close to the galaxy's edge, surrounded by a rotating ring of gas and dust. Particles started to collide, adhere, and proliferate inside this disk. They formed into planets, moons, asteroids, and comets over millions of years through chaos and chance. One of them, Earth, was a stony globe that was perfectly spaced from its star. There are 8 major planets in our solar system that revolve on elliptical paths. The powerful Jupiter uses its gravity to protect the inner planets. Far-away comets in the Kuiper belt are stirred by the mysterious Neptune. The rings of Saturn shine like jewels of the cosmos. And Earth is home to something uncommon: life. Stars live and die above and beyond. The heavy elements that make up our bones, blood, and brains are formed when some of them explode as supernovae. Others fall into unseen giants called black holes, whose gravity is so great that not even light can escape. Dark matter and dark energy are the unseen masterminds and enigmatic forces behind the fate of the cosmos. Even now, as we stand here, galaxies are flying away as the cosmos continues to expand. However, its tale is far from finished. Alright, we had came to the end of this video. And now we will revisit in short regarding what we had learned today. To the point, as there are more than simply planets and stars. It is more than just matter and energy. It is a tale of change, of time, of the creative power of the cosmos. Not only do you and I exist in the cosmos, but we are composed of it. Your body's atoms were all formed in a dying star's core. And that, class, makes us cosmic children the most recent chapter in a tale that has been told for 13.8 billion years and is still being written. I hope you enjoyed this session. I am sure if you focus the visual and the audio, you may have the ability to recollect at the right time when it was needed. Stay healthy, stay focused, stay tuned. Thanks for learning.